The National Weather Service in El Paso has issued a Tornado Watch number 134, effective until 2:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: El Paso, Hudspeth, Huberson, Jeff Davis, Reeves, Pecos, Presidio, Midland, Loving, Brewster, Terrell, Crockett, Winker, Ward, Ector, Andrews, Seene, and Upton. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned for NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.